Speaking of a guest on Joe Rogan and also a very popular individual himself, Elon Musk has stated that Tesla would consider a merger with a rival automaker. This is a thing that just seems so... It's tough to boil down. Tesla is enormous. Not in terms of units shipped, but in terms of value. Enormous. You were telling me Elon Musk himself is now he moved past Bill Gates. He's the second wealthiest person. More than $500 billion market capitalization. People love investing in Tesla.
Yes.
To be clear, people love things about Tesla that don't seem to be present with other car companies that are shipping far more units. That's not all about stock price. It's not all about market capitalization, but money is money. It is value. It's the way in which the value of a company is calculated. I don't know. Business show, Will. Business show. And if you put things into those terms, then it becomes clear that Tesla and Elon are in the driver's seat. Oh, God. Oh, that was rude. That was rude.
No.
I apologize sincerely, and I mean that.
You're going to get canceled.
I apologize.
Don't get canceled.
Go ahead, cancel me.
Keep going.
Cancel me right now. I deserve it. Musk didn't elaborate if any such discussions had recently occurred. Daimler and Toyota each took stakes in Tesla during its development, but cashed out in 2014 and 2017. Imagine cashing out that early. You were just showing the stock price. Imagine cashing out that early. Based on its stock price, Tesla is worth more than both automakers, that's Daimler and Toyota, plus Volkswagen and General Motors combined. Stop it. And this is why people get so upset, because they're like, wait a second, how many units does Toyota ship? How many units does the Volkswagen Group ship? What do these profits look like? Y'all are crazy with these investments. Like, there's that group, and I got to represent both those groups. But it is crazy to see it on paper anyway. Elon says if we had to do it, it wouldn't be a hostile takeover. He says we'd work together with an automaker. We'd hear the discussion. I won't shut it down. I'm open to the idea. He's putting that out there. So we'll have to wait and see. I don't think it's going to happen. I don't think Tesla has to do it. I don't think they have to entertain it unless it's absolutely perfect and mostly on their terms, to be honest, the way things are going. However, the unfortunate part with that, Will, is that some of these automakers do have the know-how and have been in the game longer than Tesla and could actually help Tesla in areas that it does need help if the mission is truly to put as many electric vehicles into the planet as possible. Then there are still difficulties. We talked about them falling down to ranks on the customer satisfaction charts because just making cars is hard.
Yes.
And it takes many years of know-how. And I'm not talking necessarily about battery power. I'm talking about paint jobs.
Yeah.
The basic stuff. Yeah, the details.
Yeah.
I mean, you ever see the inside shot of the Toyota manufacturing facilities in Japan with the white gloves? And it's details, man.
Yeah.
Details.
Yeah.
You appreciate details, right?
I do, yes.
Nice.
Big fan.